Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the science class. This is your science workbook. Students, we have completed the second chapter, which is life and living things, from the textbook, and we have completed the exercise of second chapter from the textbook, and we have been starting the exercise of second chapter from workbook. Students, in previous lecture we have been starting the exercise of chapter number 2, which is life and living things, on the workbook, and we have completed the question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and 4, and today we are going to start the question number 5, which is draw a line between the cell and its description. Students, here you can see the different cells, and in front of the cell some description are given. So let's start. Red blood cell. Red blood cells are smooth and circular shape to squeeze easily past other cell. Students, draw a line between the red blood cells and its description. The second one is nerve cell. Nerve cells are long extension to carry messages over long distance. The fourth one is pollen grain. Spiky surface to help them stick to the insect. So draw a line between the pollen grain and its description. The fourth one is epithelial cell. Epithelial cells are thin and flat to form a protective layer against the infection. The question number 6 is, the diagram shows some human body organs. Students, here you can see the different human body organs like lungs, kidneys, stomach and intestine, heart and nerve cell. The question is, briefly state the function of each organ. So, the function of these organs are: lungs, to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with the surrounding air; kidneys, to remove waste from the body and to regulate the amount of water in the body. यह हमारी बॉडी में वाटर को रेगुलेट करने में भी बहुत ही हेल्प करती है. Stomach and intestine, digest and absorb food into the body. Heart is a muscular organ which is also the part of the blood circulatory system, and the function of the heart is pumps blood around the body. Nerve is made up of nerve cells which carry messages around the body. Question number 9 on the page number 13 on the workbook. The question is, Daniel and Tom were going to test how sensitive their skin was at different places on their bodies. They used bristles from a toothbrush for this experiment. Students, here you can see the bristles on the toothbrush. How did they experiment? Daniel sat with his eyes closed while Tom touched the back of his hand with bristles. Daniel was asked to say if he could feel bristles touching his skin. Tom did the test on other parts of Daniel's body too. The results of this investigation are shown in the table. Students, here you can see the table, and in the one column is place on body and the other column is correct answer out of 10. Where they did the experiment? On the body, back of the hand, fingertip, arm, palm of the hand and elbow. What is the result when they touch the bristles on the back of the hand? The result is 7 out of 10, and when they touch the bristles on the fingertip, the result is 10 by 10, and when they touch the bristles on the arm, the result is 6. When the bristles of toothbrush touched on the palm of the hand, the result is 8, and when they touch is on elbow, the result is 4. Students, we know that nerve cells are spread throughout the body and therefore they cause the sensitivity on the body. Students, look at the table carefully and answer the question which is given below. Question number 1 is, which place on the body tested is the most sensitive and B is least sensitive. Students, look at the table carefully and which place of the body give the highest result, and fingertip give the highest result, which is 10. It means it is the most sensitive place on the body, and the least result is 4, which is given by the elbow. It means the least sensitive place on the body is elbow. So the answer is most sensitive place on the body is fingertip and least sensitive place on the body is elbow. The second question is, what do the results tell you about the sensitivity of the skin? The answer is, it tells the sensitivity at different parts of the body is different. The question number 3 is, what does this suggest to you about the distance between the nerve ending in the skin? The answer is, the part which is closest to nerve ending is most sensitive. The fourth one is, this investigation is not very accurate. How could Daniel and Tom improve it? The answer is, they can improve it by increasing the number of observation or repeating the test on more people. जितनी ज़्यादा ऑब्जर्वेशन होंगी उतने ही चांसेस हैं कि रिज़ल्ट एक्यूरेट आए, इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि रिज़ल्ट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों का किया जाए. Students, today we have completed the question number 5, 6 and 9 on the page number 13 on the workbook. I hope you understand the answers of the questions. Stay safe at your homes and keep praying for your country. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.